Today this is Aussie minifigure 80s. Today I've got a cool custom for you. I've got custom Cotton and his parrot from Pirates of the Caribbean and members of the Motley crew, Jack Sparrow's crew, and he's pretty cool. He's the one that is deaf and needs his parrot to talk. Kind of funny character he is. But yeah, so join me today as I right now. Okay, so let's get started. The minifigs that I have chosen today are Mr. Gibbs from the London Escape or the Black Pearl. And here's a zombie I got from the On Stranger Tide sets, but I just got him from the Captain's Cabin. He's cheaper there. And here we have Bootstrap Bill. I got him from the Black Pearl. Very cool. And also a little parrot. I got this from the Cannibal Escape. So these are all Pirates of the Caribbean sets. First off with Gibbs, you'll need to take his legs off, his hairpiece off, and his arms off. And with the zombie, you need to take his legs off. And with Bootstrap, his beanie off and his arms off. So that's what he looks like for now, with no arms on. And this might take a while putting them on, but I'll be fast as I can to show you. And there you have it, your own little custom Cotton minifigure and the parrot. There we go. And let me get my thing out and I will show you to you. Okay, so here is Cotton and his parrot who talks for him. So all in all, he's a pretty cool minifigure. You can swap his face out if you want to, yeah, change it to the firm and serious or happy face. But that is pretty much it for him. He looked like a pretty cool minifigure, and you can just add him to your Motley crew collection of Jack's pirates. So that is very cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and